Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning to all of you. In the last session, we complete that how to do the ledger posting for the journal entry. Today we are going to learn that how to do the ledger posting for the subsidiary books. So question number 7 is there. From the following transaction, prepare subsidiary books of Amjad Garments and post them in the necessary account in the ledger. 2016 August 1st, goods of rupees 48,000 are purchased at 10% trade discount from Juven traders. So it is a credit purchase of goods. So we pass the entry of this transaction in a purchase book. So August 1st, we record here first date, Juven traders account. Amount is given 48,000 minus 10% trade discount. It's become 43,200. Transaction number second number is there. Goods of rupees 42,000 are purchased at 5% trade discount from Mazar. So it is also credit transaction of goods. So second date, the name of person, Mazar account. Amount is given 42,000 minus 5% trade discount. So amount becomes 39,900. Third number is there. Goods of rupees 20,000 are purchased at 5% trade discount from Mahesh store. So it is also credit transaction of purchase of goods. So we record here third number, Mahesh account. Amount is given 20,000 minus 5% trade discount, 19,000. Transaction number 4 is there. Purchased furniture of rupees 12,000 from Ashraf Furniture Mart. So students, this entry will not record in a purchase book because we purchased assets, and it is recorded in a general proper books like furniture account debited to Ashraf Furniture Mart account. Now the transaction number 7 is there. Goods of rupees 24,000 is sold at 20% profit to Raja Bhai at 10% trade discount. So it is a credit sale of goods. So we pass the entry of this transaction in a sales book. First we record the date. Now Raja Bhai account. Amount is given 24,000, 20% profit aid minus 10% trade discount deduct करेंगे. So amount become 25,920. 25,920. Then after next one is there 8 number. Goods of rupees 36,000 are sold to Salman at 5% trade discount. So it is also credit transaction of sales. So we record here Salman account. Now the amount of Salman account 36,000 minus 5% trade discount. So amount become 34,200. Then after next one is there 9 number. Goods of rupees 4,000 are returned to Dinesh Bhai. Goods of rupees 4,000 are returned to Dinesh Bhai. So it is a purchase return. So we write down the entry in a purchase return book. Dinesh Bhai account. Dinesh Bhai account. amount 4,000 is given, so we record 4,000. 10 number, goods of rupees 12,000 are sold to Chinu Bhai at 10% trade discount. So it is a credit sales. So we pass the entry, we record entry in the sales book, Chinu Bhai account. Now the amount of Chinu Bhai account is given 12,000 में 10% trade discount deduct करेंगे, 10,800 is there. So we record here 10,800. Then after 14 number, goods of rupees 6,200 are returned by Raja Bhai. So it is a sales return. So we record in a sales return book, Raja Bhai account. Amount is given 6,200. Then after next one is there 15 number, goods of rupees 3,500 are returned to Salim. So it is a purchase return. So we record here purchase return, Salim Bhai account. Salim Bhai account, amount is given 3,500. So we record here 3,500. Now the next one is there, goods of rupees 1,600 are returned by Mitul. So it is a sales return. So we record in a sales return book, Mitul account. Total amount is given 1,600. Now all the transactions are completed here. Now we do the total of purchase book, sales book, purchase return and sales return book. First we do the total of purchase book. Total of purchase book become 1,02,100. Here we record total credit purchase. Now total of sales book, we record here total credit sales. Total is given 70,920. Now the total of purchase return book, so we record here total purchase return 7,500. Total credit purchase return, here record total credit sales return 7,800 is okay. Now we complete the total of purchase book, sales book, purchase return book and sales return book. Then after we do we start the ledger posting for the respective books. First we prepare the ledger, separate ledger for the purchase book, sales book, purchase return book and sales return book. So we record here purchase account, and then after the number of suppliers are given like a Zuben Traders, Mazhar account and Mahesh account. So we do we prepare the separate ledger for the Zuben Traders, Mazhar account and Mahesh store. Then after we do prepare the separate ledger for the sales book. So sales account is there in a sales book, Raja Bhai account, Salman account and Chinu Bhai account. So we prepare the separate ledger for the Raja Bhai account, Salman account and Chinu Bhai account. Then after purchase return book, we prepare the purchase return account. Two person name is given, Dinesh Bhai account and Salim Bhai account. So we prepare the Dinesh Bhai account and Salim Bhai account. Then after the sales return book, we prepare the separate ledger for the sales return account. Now in the sales return book, two person name is given, Raja Bhai account. We already prepared the Raja Bhai account. And next one Mitul account. So we prepare the Mitul account. So in this sum we have to prepare the separate ledger for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 ledger we have to prepare in a ledger book. Now we do the ledger posting for this subsidiary book. First of all, we do the ledger posting for the entire purchase book. So entire purchase book, that means total purchase book is 1,02,100. टोटल परचेज बुक का जो टोटल है इट इज 1,02,100. सो वी ऑल नो दैट purchase account is always debited. So here we record last date 2016, month is there August, so we record here last day 16 is there, so we record here 16. total purchase account always डेबिट होता है, इसलिए परचेज अकाउंट को हम डेबिट साइड में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. एंड वी रिकॉर्ड हियर 2 sundry creditors account 1,02,100 and bracket as per purchase book, because when we purchase goods on credit, so that are considered as our supplier, or they are considered as our creditors. So in a purchase account we record 2 sundry creditors account 1,02,100 as per the purchase book. Then Juven traders account 43,200 is given. So in Juven account we record credit side 2016 August 16. We record here by purchase account 43,200. Merger account we record here 2016 August 16 by purchase account amount 39,900 is there. Then after Mahesh store account, so we record 2016 August 3 number is there, so we record by purchase account 19,000. The date is given, we have to record the same date, like here 2 date is there, so we record here 2. इधर 2 date is there. जुवेन में फर्स्ट है तो फर्स्ट, मजर में सेकंड है तो वी रिकॉर्ड सेकंड, एंड महेश में थर्ड है तो वी रिकॉर्ड 3rd August. Now purchase book is over. Now the sales book, we all know that sales account is always credited and they are our customers. So we do the ledger posting for the entire sales book. So we record here by sundry debtors account 2016 August 16 is there 17,920. 17,920. Now in a sales book Rajabhai account is there, so in Rajabhai account we record 2016 debit side, because when we purchase when we sold goods, that time we pass the entry like Rajabhai account debit to sales account. So in a Rajabhai account we record debit side to sales account, we record to sales account 25,920. Next one is there Salim Bhai account in a 8 date 2016. In a 8 date we record here to sales account. In a Salman to sales account 34,200 is there. And Chinu Bhai account 10 date In Chinu Bhai account we record 2016 August 10 to sales account. Amount is given 10,800. 10,800. So dear student, here we complete sales book. Then after we do the ledger posting for the purchase return book. We all know that purchase return account always credited. So when we do the ledger posting for the purchase return, so first we record in a credit side 2016 August 16. In a purchase return book we record by sundry creditors. Total amount is given 7,500. So we record here 7,500. Then after in a purchase return book, Dinesh Bhai account is given and Salim Bhai account is given. So in a Dinesh Bhai account we record 2016 August. Dinesh Bhai account 9 date is given. So we record 9 date. We record to purchase return account 4,000. Amount is given 4,000. So we record 4,000. Now the Salim Bhai account 15 number. So in a 15 number we record to purchase return account 3,500 2016 August. Okay, now we complete purchase return book, ledger posting. Now the sales return. Now we all know that sales return account has a debit balance. So we record here 2016 August 16 to sundry debtors account. To sundry debtors account, total amount 7,800 is given. So we record total amount 7,800 is given. Then after 14 number is there Raja Bhai account. So Raja Bhai account is given. Raja Bhai account here we already prepare it. So in a credit side we record Raja Bhai account 2016 August 14. We record here by sales return account 6,200. Then after Mitul account 16 date में Mitul account we record 2016 on August 16. We record here by sales return account. Total amount 1,600 is given. So we record here 1,600. So student, here we complete all the ledger and the ledger posting for the purchase book, sales book, purchase return and sales return. You have to do the sum number 8 in homework. Thank you very much.